Alright guys, welcome back to another episode. So today we're going to be replacing the stock airbag on this Acura RSX 2004 Type S. From the stock airbag to that guy right there. So first things first, let me unplug the negative from the battery. That's going to be the first step. After you got that set, you're gonna see that behind the steering wheel you have two caps. Basically you're gonna have to remove. I mean, with just a small screwdriver you can pull this out. Same thing on the other side. Remove the key. Same thing on this side. Just pry it and it will come out. So inside that compartment right there, see, it's gonna be two screws. There's one, the other one is right here. After that, you have those two screws unbolted. Pull this plug right here. So now it's unplugged, and the airbag should be ready to go out. So be careful. Still, there's a couple of plugs that you have in here. Pull that one and the second one. See right there. Pull that one. Oh, there you go. So stock airbag is out. Airbag is coming in. So basically what you're gonna be doing now is putting all together once again the way it was. Lock right there, bolt the screws, and we'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, so like I said, after you put everything back together once again, basically it's revert the whole process like you did. One screw right there, the other one right there, as you can see, plug this back together. So now that we have everything put back all together, nice and tight. So here you have it.